Shibanta banrakhe yakasngi bantingka yaka neka World Water Day yaka balarakhe haka shitulup kaparthe haka arpo artarik uluber hajowairu larakhe yaka daga bapenlong yaka program ha library menthong Jowai West Yenti Hills District lasdang yaka program naduka por khandai bajem step daga jinya erali daki kana school barkinung tre jong ka PHE Jowai harangkat ka jingdan lang ki wehe snong barkinung ki kam snong nakisnong baper Layok ru ban pesungtu ikipajba harangkat kewe snong halor ka jingtrikam jongka skim jongka sarkar pedang kajal jiwan vision do ba damang wan ubalong ku IEC coordinator ulong bakadon kam bakino elam snong kidai banetri lang harangkat berka JJM kenang bakan poi sikathong banpen poi ik umbam umdi syakisnong hapo ka district nakaliang u additional deputy commissioner ka West Jentia Hills upike boro ulalong ru kum okongsan hakte kasngi haba jingkran ulagan tu iki kana school berkipajba bakin long kibai trailang kenang bu anla ban pendek pensa eka hakalawe banwan ulaban rap baka jingdon jongka kelanang hiar kat banami kisngi kumta ka syong hangi iwe pe iwe bangin shim ka jingkit kli kamtam bantengka eka ba umdi manla kasngi hagane kasngi ki kana school naki school baper kilawan ban i eki jingdro bat ka jingshna ka jongki halor ka kumno bantengka eka
to make it a campaign, and the same campaign in the days to come, it will become a movement to be done by all of us. And to make this movement to be very successful, we have to take pledge by each and everyone from today's church. How to sustain our lives in near future. Without water, I don't think we'll be able to survive in this world. You see, my dear students, number of population has been decreased. But otherwise, the numbers of or the quantity of water has been decreased. Why it happens? Because left and right, without thinking ethically, for our own greed, we are killing the trees.